A huge mistake people commit in QuickBooks is incorrectly recording a refund from a vendor. In the banking section, they record the transaction as a transfer and specify that the deposit source was cash. The problem here is that cash is set up as a bank account in the chart of accounts of QuickBooks for many companies. Check your chart of accounts and see if you have cash set up in your QuickBooks. By recording that refund deposit into the checking account as a transfer from cash, we can now see a negative $200 balance in the cash account on our balance sheet. When we click on the negative $200, you see the transfer that we just recorded. In order to fix this, we go back into banking and click on Categorized. Find the transfer you recorded and click Undo. This moves that transaction back into for review. So instead of recording this deposit as a transfer, we are going to categorize it. This sample company has previous transactions where they paid the vendor A1 rental and categorized those transactions as equipment rental. So on a refund, we're going to use that same category, equipment rental. Once we categorize that, you can see on the balance sheet we no longer show a negative $200 balance in the cash account. So we fixed the problem of incorrectly using a cash account, but when would we actually use a cash account?